Senate never remove fuel subsidy. Now, Senate President Senator Ahmed Lawal na talk this one. Senate President Ahmed Lawal don't talk say Oga Presido never remove fuel subsidy. He talk this one after one meeting when he do with Presido Buhari for Aso Rock. Senate President talk say the meeting important sake of say NLC dey plan one protest on February 1st because of fuel subsidy matter. Senate Presido come talk say Oga Presido no tell anybody to remove fuel subsidy.
I'm happy to inform Nigerians that Mr. President never told anyone that the petroleum subsidy should be removed. I want to commend Mr. President for still keeping this philosophy of ensuring that the most ordinary Nigerian does not suffer in any way. It's not true that 100 million liters is consumed in Nigeria every day. It's not true. It's not. No. We have to find a solution to this. It may not be exactly the way we want it in the implementation of the subsidy, but that is our challenge as an administration, as a government. So we need to come together to find a solution to this. There must be an irreducible minimum level of partisanship. There is a level at which you should not come down to because of politics. No, citizens first. We shouldn't toy with lives of our people. I am very happy, very relieved with this meeting with Mr. President.
He talks say National Assembly go so pass the electoral amendment bill on Wednesday and send them to Presido make he sign am.
And we are happy that at the end of the day, we have been able to narrow down our differences and arrive at a very patriotic resolution that our country must have a new electoral law that will guide the 2023 general elections in the country. And we came to the conclusion in both chambers, across party lines, in a very patriotic way, to say time is of essence in this respect. We should just look at the possibility of opening up the mode of primaries so that you can have direct, you can have indirect, and even consensus. And it's up to political parties to decide which option is okay for them.
Oga Presido can still meet with Governor of Niger State, Abubakar Sani Bello, onto security matter for Niger State. The governor can tell journalists about the security matter when they go on for Niger State.
In January alone this year, we have suffered no less than 50 reported attacks with loss of lives. Within the same period, not less than 300 communities have been invaded by bandits. Number of people kidnapped, 200, including 3 Chinese nationals. We also unfortunately lost some security personnel, numbering 25. But I am very optimistic with the kind of zeal I have seen from our security agencies, all services. I am very optimistic that the situation will be addressed, and hopefully we should get a very peaceful state within the shortest possible time.
Matthew Ajakaye, TMC TV News.